皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of 四字熟語 Japanese 4-character idioms. Each 四字熟語 has unique meaning and expression in just 4 kanji characters. They are often used in daily conversations and can make your Japanese more sophisticated. So let's get started. So what exactly are 四字熟語? They are idiomatic expression made up of 4 kanji characters. Each idiom has a unique meaning and can be used in various situations to express deep thought, feelings, or concepts concisely in just 4 kanji. Today we will cover 12 commonly used 四字熟語 that you can start using right away in your daily conversations. Let's start with 一石二鳥. 一石二鳥 means achieving 2 things with one single action. Just like the English saying, killing 2 birds with 1 stone. このゲーム遊びながら勉強もできるし、一石二鳥だね。このゲーム遊びながら勉強もできるし、一石二鳥だね。一石二鳥。一石二鳥。Next up, we have 自業自得。自業自得 means facing the consequences of one's own actions. Use this when someone is experiencing the results of their own actions, usually in a negative way. 飲酒運転で罰則を受けるのは自業自得だよ。飲酒運転で罰則を受けるのは自業自得だよ。自業自得。自業自得。Moving on, we have 一生懸命。一生懸命 is used to describe doing something with your very best effort and dedication. This idiom is very common and you will hear it a lot in many situations. 一生懸命日本語の勉強をしています。一生懸命日本語の勉強をしています。一生懸命。一生懸命。Now let's look at 八方美人。八方美人 often has a negative connotation, implying someone who tries to please everyone. Use this when describing someone who is overly eager to please everyone around them. 稽古は八方美人だから信用できない。稽古は八方美人だから信用できない。八方美人。八方美人。Next is 危機一髪。危機一髪 describes a critical moment where there is a close call with danger. Use this to describe situations where someone barely avoids disaster. すぐに急ブレーキをかけたので、危機一髪で事故を避けることができました。すぐに急ブレーキをかけたので、危機一髪で事故を避けることができました。危機一髪。危機一髪。Then we have 波乱万丈。波乱万丈 describes a life or story full of dramatic changes. Use this to describe someone's life that is filled with significant ups and downs. 先輩の人生は波乱万丈でとても衝撃を受けました。先輩の人生は波乱万丈でとても衝撃を受けました。波乱万丈、波乱万丈。Next we have 前代未聞。前代未聞 describes something that has never been heard of or seen before. Use this to describe an event or situation that is completely new or unheard of. 前代未聞の大事件に世間は動揺しています。前代未聞の大事件に世間は動揺しています。前代未聞、前代未聞。Next is 心機一転。心機一転 is used when someone changes their mindset and starts anew. Use this when someone decides to make a significant change in their life. 新しい仕事を始めたので、心機一転頑張りたいです。新しい仕事を始めたので、心機一転頑張りたいです。心機一転、心機一転。Now we have 臨機応変。臨機応変 means being flexible and able to adapt to different situations quickly. Use this to describe someone who can handle unexpected situations with ease. サトシは臨機応変に対応できるからとても頼りになります。サトシは臨機応変に対応できるからとても頼りになります。臨機応変、臨機応変。Next is 一心不乱。一心不乱 describes focusing intensely on one thing without being distracted. Use this when describing someone who is completely absorbed in activity. 毎日一心不乱に練習したので、大会で優勝することができました。毎日一心不乱に練習したので、大会で優勝することができました。一心不乱、一心不乱。Next up we have 全身全霊。全身全霊 means doing something with all one's energy and spirit. Use this when someone is putting their all into a task. 全身全霊でプロジェクトに取り組んでいます。全身全霊でプロジェクトに取り組んでいます。全身全霊、全身全霊。Lastly, we have 一心伝心。一心伝心 means communicating through mutual understanding without words. Use this when describing a deep understanding between people without needing to speak. 長年の友達とは一心伝心で理解し合えます。長年の友達とは一心伝心で理解し合えます。一心伝心、一心伝心。And there you have it. These 四字熟語 are not only useful, but also add a rich layer of expression to your Japanese. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what would you like to see in my future video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた